Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about the dark matter and dark energy, the force that are invisible in the universe. Have you heard about this, about the dark matter and dark energy? Because these are the forces most of the people still don't know, and we have heard about the four fundamental forces: nuclear force, strong nuclear force, gravitational force, and nuclear fusion. And among all these forces, there is always a physical implementation of force. For example, we feel the gravitational force, we feel the nuclear fusion in the sun, helium fuse into hydrogen. That's why we get the heat and light in the form of energy. And there is also application of weak and strong nuclear force. So in this video we are going to talk about the two other forces that may be existence, and that is the possibility that it is also available in the universe, but not easily visible with the naked eye. So let's talk about it. So all the things that are visible in the night sky right now, for example, there is lot of stars, lot of sun, lot of moons, and lot of planets that are visible in the night sky. Is basically the consist of 2 or 3% of matter in the universe, in the whole world. 27% of the matter is basically the dark matter, and among the 72 or 73% of the thing is called the dark energy. Dark matter and dark energy is basically the two other topics, and they are the strange thing is that they are reciprocal of each other. We don't know much about that, but the dark matter is something like cosmic particles, because we are not able to see the cosmic particles. If for example, if the cosmic particle in front of me, then I'm not able to visible it with naked eyes. And similarly, you can assume that dark matter enter in our body, and how much it react with our photons. And because the size, we actually don't know the size of that. We just assume that there is a dark matter, and the because they are in the other dimension of the universe. So basically this is a very very difficult thing, and if we living in this universe, then it is a lot of experiment already conducted to find the dark matter, but still all in vain. Have you heard about the Higgs-boson experiment that is done around the 7 or 8 years ago to find that particles of what dark matter? So time to time we collecting lot of data from the various telescope and Chandra X-ray Observatory, Chandra X-ray, and even the ESO's very large scale telescope still continuously find that particle. Whether there is explosion in the universe, then it might possibility that it travel with the light of speed, and our telescope are so lucky to capture that particle, so we can study about it. So here the question arises is, what is dark matter? So dark matter is something like force that keeps the thing very close, that tries to keep the thing very close. And that might be the reason that in some billions year ago, Andromeda galaxy might collide with the our Milky Way, and make a new galaxy named Milcromeda. Like this, there is lot of incident happening in the past also, that galaxy will collide with itself, with other galaxies, small galaxies. Big galaxy eat small galaxies, so there is a lot of incident that is being uh, every day going. And what is dark energy? Dark energy is still the most unrated energy. We don't know about this much more about this. We something know about the dark matter, but we still don't know even 1%, 0.01% of the dark energy. And dark energy is basically the reciprocal of the dark matter, means it keep the things away. The reason behind the universe is expanding is because earlier we thought that the universe is definite, but for the last few years we come to know about that universe is expanding, and the reason behind this expansion is the dark energy. And the universe is expanding in is much fast way as we think. And recent study has been conducted, and the conclusion is that the spreading of the universe is not symmetrical. For example, if there is a four side of universe, if we assume four side, then north side is moving fast, and south side is moving slow, because the expansion of the universe is not symmetrical, and that is the main study. And because we collected a lot of data from the various telescope, and after calculating all these things, we had come to know that the universe is expanding in very fast. The expansion of the universe is very fast and not symmetrical, because to think in large scale is very difficult, but still we have successfully come to know. This is a topic we covered in the upcoming video, because this is a huge topic. So kindly suggest me any topic regarding this, and if you have any topic, if you have any query regarding this space and science, mention in the comment below. And if you haven't watched my earlier video about the black hole, and one thing that I want to here explain is, if in front of dark energy and dark matter, black hole is very small thing. If you like this video, then consider subscribing.